When the Creative Jam was pitched to me, it sounded a fantastic idea. Bringing lots of people together from different backgrounds, students, people from outside BBC News, as well as some of our own designers, and get them all in a room to kind of think creatively around a challenge.
It's a great way to collaborate, learn and interact with colleagues, and in our particular case with students from local universities as well.
Well, the Creative Jam really came out of the blue for me. It was an amazing opportunity for the students, not just to kind of learn about what's new at Adobe, but also work under pressure with some professionals.
From a design perspective and from the perspective of how we work within the BBC, it's necessary that we step outside our normal bubble of thought and work processes to actually think outside the box.
It was really good to do a specific piece of work that was wanted for a charity today, because we're not just doing this creativity for our own sense of self-satisfaction. To be able to offer those ideas to a charity that really wanted them is great, because we're providing public service value from all this creative thought.
The participants have been exposed to two new tools that they don't use normally, Character Animator and Premiere Rush.
Having Premiere on your phone basically sounds like a really good idea as well. You're shown step by step how to do the basics, and then if you wanted to get more complicated, they do have those features as well.
The introduction to Character Animator was very profound. There's so many possibilities, I feel, with that software.
Just to be in an environment where you can freely engage in creative thought with other creative people, nothing but beneficial.
This event has definitely inspired me to collaborate a bit more with different teams across BBC.
A Creative Jam helps you to think differently, to think creatively.
I'd absolutely recommend this to any other company. It's remarkable. It's like Christmas for me.